In this video, we are going to show you how to set up the wireless chime for the CTVision IP doorbell. On the CTviewer Plus app, click the three-dot icon on the right side of the device name. Go into Camera Settings, scroll down and look for More Settings. Click on Chime Type, then Electronic Chime. Follow the on-screen prompts and plug the chime into a power socket. Once it's plugged in, hit Next. Now, run to your doorbell and press the call button. Your phone should start ringing along with the wireless chime. Cancel the call and go to the next screen. If your chime rang just now, congratulations, the setup is complete. However, if it didn't ring with the doorbell, click No Response here. Go through the troubleshooting checklist. If the chime still doesn't ring, we need to proceed with the repair process. Unplug and plug the chime back into the outlet. Press and hold the setting button. It's the top button on the side of the chime. Hold it until you see the blue LED flashing. Try the call button again. This time, the chime should ring together with the doorbell. You can press the middle button and the bottom button on the side of the chime to adjust the volume. That's it! Click Finish when you're done. Thanks for watching.